พระธาตุเจดีย์ศรีมงคลรัตน์หลวงพ่อพวน
Welcome. Come with us as we take a tour of this. This is in the Surin province, very close to the city of Surin. Look at this cool looking stone they have. Must have dug it up from the location here. Doesn't say what it is, but it looks like a huge foot with the ankle. They're clearly getting ready for some sort of a ceremony here. They have all kinds of seating set up, a large amount too. So it's going to be pretty big, whatever it is, the ceremony. This temple is a really big temple. I'm surprised that it's not very well known because it's absolutely beautiful. And the setup all around here, the surroundings to it are very pretty. I hope this inspires people to come and see it. This is the years of the calendar for birth years, if you know which one you are. It seems like all the best viewing for all of these temples we go to, we've got the sun behind it, so it makes it really hard if you come to record in the morning, early morning time, and that's the best time if you're going to use a drone. So we really don't have a lot of choice. I see they've got a lot of laterite that they've used as decorative stone around the front here. There's Miss Jai. Say hello, Jai.
Hi.
It's a great place. You won't be sorry coming here. This is Indra sitting on the Erewhon elephant. You see this quite a bit around Thailand, or at least around Surin. They have these aerators situated around the moat to keep the air going for the fish. And the moat continues on around the rest of the temple. In this pond we can see, or this is still continuation of the same moat, but you can see they have white lotus in here as well. So they have red lotus and white lotus. This is another one of the halls that's situated in the trees. It has a big parking area here. Yeah, it's really hard to do the drone in this place because the trees are so well established and they're so big. So I got a little bit. It's better than nothing.
We fell out of love like shooting stars, came crashing down, and we're building back up again now. I see your heart, see your mind, see all you hide. I won't let you go, can't let this die. When you lose yourself, I'll be right beside you. I see your heart, see your mind, see all you hide. I won't let you go, can't let this die. When you lose yourself, I'll be right beside you. I'll be right beside you. I see your heart, see your mind, see all you hide. I won't let you go, can't let this die. When you lose yourself, I'll be right beside you.
all of this on this section is new. They're still just finishing everything up. Show a view of along the roadway inside here. Very nice, and it's still got the moat that wraps around all around here. The bell tower. There's roads that continue to drive around here, but I don't want to make the video too long, so I won't get it all. The buildings just keep on coming. If you see back there, I think there's 6 or 8 of those smaller buildings around the moat on the back. You can see the ones that are over here. I can't read these things, I'm sorry. I don't know what each of the buildings actually are. Beautiful place though, gotta come see it. Huge place, huge place. I know I keep saying that. They have restrooms right here too. Nice looking elephants and the 3-headed elephant there. Has the angel sitting on their head. They have the laterite stone all surrounding this. Such a beautiful place. It's all brand new. Nothing painted yet. They're still in the process of doing it. Laterite stones all set with concrete. Looks very pretty here. And in the grass, it also has laterite stone that the grass is just growing around it. You can see it in places. This is the bridge crossing from the main temple, the old existing temple, and the moat that surrounds the whole thing. And across on the other side over here, they have more new construction. This place can be so pretty when it's all done. We'll have to wait till we come back to come and re-film the whole thing. These stairs will all end up with nice tile on them when they're done. I'll try to stay off of their carpet. Some of this is still covered up. They have these nagas, 5-headed snake, at each corner. You just imagine how pretty it's going to be when they get it all painted. I want to show you inside. They have a lot of the woodwork has already started and finished. But as you can see, the walls are not complete yet. Now all the wood that you see crisscrossing on the walls there is finished product wood. And I assume they're going to paint everything in between. It'll be paintings. You see the design work on the front, up close. This is another one of the nagas that are surrounding. There's 4, so there's one at each corner surrounding the place. It's so hard to film it because of the sun, but it's so pretty. I really can't wait to see it all painted. Trying to get different angles around this to see which view is the best. The sun not interfering. I think this side probably shows the best is towards the back. So detailed. I can imagine how much work it's going to be painting. And then in the back here has the moat again, and it has the red and white lotus that's throughout the entire moat. It goes all the way around the entire property. Okay, we're walking now towards the front of the temple to see if we can get a better look at the temple itself. This place is huge. I was surprised how big it is. When I put the drone up, I was surprised how big spread around it is. If anybody lives in the area and has extra money, they're looking for donations here. Please help out.